question of speaking. Arvind,
Wait a minute. Please allow me to answer.
Arvind, listen here. Arvind, it's not about speaking, it's about a political alliance.
No.
And there is a political alliance with the SDPI. And 1 minute. I can't hear you, Arvind. The volume has to be louder in the studio, please. 1 second. Arvind, just hear me for a minute, please. Please hear me. Just hear me. Arvind, hear me. My question is, you have tied up with the SDPI. Do you even know who the SDPI is? This man, Taslim Rahmani, sitting on your screen, do you know that he goes to Turkey?
You asked me a question.
You know he has meetings with hardline elements in Turkey? He accepts money from groups who have in turn links with the Al-Qaeda, and he goes to Turkey to take money from them?
Keep on asking. I must be allowed
Pardon
to
me?
answer one by one. Allow me to answer at least one question. When you keep on asking questions, how do I answer? Allow me to answer one question. The first question is, why alliance with SDPI? And what kind of party is SDPI? Do you know what kind of...
Arvind and Ranjit. Arvind and Guru Paswan, please, on the screen.
What is it? Can you hear me yourself? Can you hear me?
Louder, please, I can. If the full cat can be increased, please, Anand. Thank you. Yeah. Just increasing the fold back a little bit on. I can hear you. I'm just asking, does Kamal Hassan even know what the SDPI is? Does he even know? 1 minute. Arvind, let me complete my point. Yeah, let me complete my point. Now, what is this?
You asked a question, what kind of party?
But I've not started my question.
What if they are communal? If you're saying that a party started by my Islamic brothers, you want to, give a communal color to that party. I'm a Hindu. You can see my forehead. I have vibhuti.
Yes, I'm saying the SDPI is communal.
I am a true Hindu.
Yes, I'm saying the SDPI is communal. More than communal.
There is no undercommunal.
No, I'm saying the SDPI, by using the word communal, you're making an understatement. I think the SDPI is more than communal. I think the SDPI is a fake political wing of the PFI. And I think the NIS filed a charge sheet in the Ramalingam murder case in Tamil Nadu, naming 18 SDPI and PFI members for killing him.
All the North Indian media are talking about one particular speech in which Kamal Hassan said that the first Hindu in independent India, the first terrorist in the independent India was a Hindu. Do you know in which context, in which spirit did he say that? Because in Tamil Nadu, the BJP...
I am not even talking about that. I am talking about a proper formal electoral tie-up with the PFI's political wing, Guru Paswan. I think the PFI should be banned. And the SDPI is nothing but, hanger-on to the PFI. And therefore, I am shocked that Kamal Hassan has betrayed the people of India by having this political tie-up with the PFI. I mean, while we are talking about banning the PFI, Guru Paswan and Taslim is on the screen. While we are talking about a ban on the PFI, Kamal Hassan goes and does a tie-up with them. Personally, as a Kamal Hassan fan, I am horrified.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.